Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to present a very important topic which is biology. So please watch the video complete and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. My presentation will include first the definition of biology, then what are the microorganisms used in biology, third what are the commercial types, and at the end I will discuss you the examples of bioleaching. So let's start. First, what is bioleaching? Bioleaching is the process by which metals are dissolved from ore bearing rocks using microorganisms. Here we have to purify, we have to extract metals from the ore by using the microorganism. This process is bioleaching. You have to know what is ore. Ore is a naturally occurring mineral or rock from which a valuable or useful substance, especially a metal, can be extracted at a reasonable cost. You know, we can include examples such as gold, copper, silver. These metals are not present in this form, in this pure form. They are present with the ore in impure form. So we have to pure them by the process of bioleaching, which we are today studying. Next one is what are the microorganisms used in bioleaching? The most commonly microorganisms used in bioleaching are Thiobacillus thiooxidants, Thiobacillus ferrooxidants, and other microorganisms also used such as Bacillus licheniformis, B. luteus, B. megatherium, B. polymixa, B. leptospirillum ferrooxidants, Pseudomonas fluorescens, Sulfolobus acidocladrus. What is the chemistry of biology? Chemistry of biology is that the species of thiobacillus oxidants or ferrooxidants. These microbes, first the principle here is these microorganisms oxidize the metal such as iron, oxidize the metal and get its energy for the growth, and as a result we obtain product which is in form of a metal. So this is beneficial for us. Here we will discuss the two types of bioleaching. The first one is direct bioleaching. Here, as name showing, direct, there will be a relationship, physical relationship between the ores and metals, and due to this contact, the microorganism will oxidize the metals and produce the result in the form of pure metals. Next one is indirect bacterial leaching. In this process, there is no direct contact. These microbes will produce the oxidizing agents such as ammonia, sulfuric acid, and water, which will oxidize the ores and produce leachate. The next one is what are the commercial types? Commercial types are first slow bleaching, second heap bleaching, and third in situ bleaching. So explain one by one. Slow bleaching. In slow bleaching, firstly we have to crush them in the form of pieces. After crushing in the form of pieces, we dump into a reservoir. We have to dump from the inclined surface, and also have to sprinkle water which containing the inoculum of Bacillus thiobacillus species. When the inoculum of thiobacillus species come into contact with the ores, it converts this ores into a leachate. Leachate is an impure form of metals. Then we have to collect, you can see in diagram, in a collecting reservoir, where after collecting we have to purify the metals, so the pure metals obtained. Next types is heap bleaching. In this process, we did not need to crush or produce the fine pieces of ore. In this process, we make a heap of ores, and from above, from top surface, we have to sprinkle the inoculum of Thiobacillus species. So they this species contact with this ore and produce leachate, as I discussed earlier. And this leachate we have to pure them after this process. So as a result, the product which is metals, which may be a copper, gold, silver, obtained. The next one is in situ bioleaching. In situ bioleaching, in this process, the ore remains in its original position. So we make a hole or drill this surface. Firstly we have to discover the surface where we think there is a huge of ores present. After discovering, we have to drill this surface and have to pump the water solution which contain this thiobacillus species. And after drilling water, the thiopsili species contact with this ore in the earth and produce a acidic solution, which we again have to pump outside the earth. After outside the earth pumping, we pure this leachate and get pure metals. I will discuss examples. First example is copper leaching. हम कॉपर को चालकोलाइट, चालकोपाइराइट, कोएलाइट, ये कॉपर के ओर्स हैं। यहाँ से हम इसको बाय द बायोलीचिंग प्रोसेस रिकवर करते हैं। तो ये टॉपिक कंक्लूड हुआ। चैनल को प्लीज़ लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा ताकि इस तरह और ये अपडेट्स आप लोगों को मिलती रहे। थैंक यू एंड खुदा हाफिज़।